6 miles to go.
In today's video, Alan and the girls are going to do a blind taste test of the top 10 worst and best Halloween candies. This is part 1 of our 2-part video, so make sure you watch part 2 after you watch this video. After they try the candy, they're going to hold up either a happy emoji to show that they liked it, or a pukey face emoji to show that it was gross. Alright, so I want you guys to pick a number between 1 and 8.
8.
You have to agree.
5.
4.
4.
4? Okay, so we're going to do 4 first. So put on your blindfolds. Alan, put on your Bird Box blindfold. The number 4 cup is in front of you. So you can try that. Keep your blindfold on. You're going to poke a hole into the paper towel. Alan, what are you doing over there?
I'm looking for the cup that's in front of me.
You have to go towards London. And then try the candy that's inside.
Yeah, I'll put more down. Yummy!
Alright, where is it? This one mine?
I think so.
Is this
Yummy!
one
All
mine?
right, go ahead, try it, London. Go ahead.
What's this called?
Alright,
Wait, hold on. I think I know what it is. Oh, what is that called?
let's see.
Rainbow stuff with the red
So
wrapper.
take your mask down. Which emoji would you say you had when you ate that one?
That's
Now-
nasty. It was delicious. Ew.
That
That
one
was
actually, that was a
wonderful.
Smartie. And Smarties were
Smartie.
actually ended up being number 5 on the worst Halloween candy, which I don't understand.
Say what?
Yeah, so
It's nasty.
that was in their survey.
Can I eat the
Store.com ended up being number 5
What that is
for
good.
the
Can I
worst.
have the other one? Oh, no.
All right, pick a different number.
Number 5. Number 5.
5.
No.
All right, so you can put back on your blindfolds or your Bird Box blindfold.
It tastes like a Hershey. It tastes like a Hershey.
Okay, this right here, the feeling.
I love
Okay.
it.
It feels like a small Hershey bar. Alright?
It's like,
I feel the divots.
I love it.
And the
It
little
is
bar
Yeah,
very,
they said it tastes like a Hershey bar. Had nothing to do with that.
that tastes like a Hershey bar.
Now let's taste it. Let's see.
I already did.
Kind of creamy here.
So you can take your blindfold off. Alan, you
It
can
was
see
a
it.
Hershey. I
Is
could
it
taste it.
a happy emoji or
Yeah.
a face emoji?
Happy.
So yes, Hershey bar was number 10 on the top 10 best candy list. What number are you guys going to choose next?
I would choose 6. 8. Oh, 8.
You all have to agree.
We'll do 8.
8.
8?
Yes.
Okay.
See? Right here? Right here? Mm-hmm.
Actually, yeah. My favorite candy, my second favorite candy.
Alright, so how would you rate that? A happy face or a pukey face? Alright, so those were Kit Kats. Kit Kats came in at number 7 for the best Halloween candy according to the survey.
Put
What's
your
your next
emojis.
number?
6.
6.
I guess.
Blindfolds on and go ahead and taste this candy.
The heck? Those, nerds.
These are definitely nerds.
Yeah, I can get nerds. Ew.
Layla's just chugging them down.
I don't want to eat this. Yummy.
According to your opinion, is it a happy face emoji or a pukey face emoji?
Happy. Disgusting.
Well, Nerds came in at number 9 for the best or best selling, was also on there for Halloween candy. Next, what number are you choosing?
7. 1. Blindfolds on, everybody. Blindfolds on.
Yes, put your blindfolds on and go ahead and taste this candy.
Oh, I know what this is.
feels like it's like a twist type thing.
That's nasty. That's nasty.
Oh, it's just black licorice.
Yes, it is black licorice.
Ew, that's disgusting.
So what's your rating? You liked it, Naomi?
Kinda, yeah.
Over nerds? What?
You like black licorice?
Ew, that's disgusting.
It tastes like medicine.
Well,
That's
black,
what this tastes like.
it does. Black licorice came in at number 10 of the worst Halloween candy. So if you're buying Halloween candy, don't buy black licorice because no one likes it. Well, apparently some people. Oh, now she's spitting it out.
I wish I wouldn't. Thumbs down already. Thumbs down.
We're still recovering from the
Yeah.
black licorice.
Disgusting.
All right, what's your next number?
Seven.
7. I'm gonna do
All right,
7.
take one, pass it down.
Pass.
All right,
Blindfold on.
blindfolds on. You're probably scared now.
Well, yeah, 'cause we'd have so many good ones in a row, and then bam.
Wait, can we put a hole in it?
Oh,
I can already
this is
taste
a
it.
Butterfinger. I can already tell by the feeling that this is a Butterfinger.
I'm not eating it. I'm already putting my bad one
All
out.
right, what is your rating?
It's disgusting.
It's a split panel here.
People like it.
Butterfinger is number 8 for the best
What?
Halloween candy.
That's just disgusting. I hate peanut butter. What?
All right, what's the next number we're going to
Three.
3. Okay, I have a little helper this time. Aiden's going to help me hand it out. You give that to your dad or your sissies. Thanks, buddy.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy.
That was one of my things. Blindfold on, everybody. Blindfold on. Okay, finish putting on down.
All right,
Boobs.
I'm supposed to
and try it.
Oh, this is Claude.
Don't say anything.
I don't get rid of
Oh, I already know what this is.
Oh, yes. Yes. It's all right.
Oh, it's not what I thought it was.
And now it's telling you.
Any guesses as to what it is?
I forget what
Tootsie Roll.
Tootsie Roll. Yeah, Tootsie Roll. Yeah, Tootsie Roll.
Tootsie Roll?
I thought it's called Tootsie Roll.
Tootsie Roll. What is your rating?
Yummy.
I guess I'll say this. I won't like the middle.
Well, there's no
How
middle.
about a little bit of this?
I see. All right, Tootsie Rolls actually came in at number 7 of the worst Halloween candies, but I don't know how that happened. So yeah, I guess people don't like Tootsie
I agree with
Rolls.
that. Blindfold on.
This is the last one in part 1 of our best and worst Halloween candy. Let's see if it's a good one or a bad
Okay,
one.
I think I know what this is.
Actually, wait.
Do you think it's good or do you think it's bad?
Yummy.
What's your rating?
Let's do this.
Half and half? Layla's not a big fan. I'm just trying to wipe it off her tongue.
Same thing with me.
Does anybody know what candy that is?
I thought it was my
It's
genetic
like the
at
jelly
first.
beans. It's not jelly beans.
It is good and plenty.
Good
Good and plenty.
yeah.
That ranked at number 9 of the worst
Worst.
Halloween candy.
I
So
agree with that.
if you're buying Halloween candy,
Maybe
don't
I
get
should-
good and plenty.
Maybe
No
I
one
should
likes
did
it.
this. So this is more of the
I
nasty
want
thing.
more. 2 more.
You want more?
Wait,
to
that's
this
the last
gross.
one for part 1?
This is the last one for part 1.
Part 1, y'all. Part 2, you got the girls.
Yes,
Not
part
that
2
bad.
will be featuring the girls. So
Not
make sure you
part
watch
2.
our next video. And also don't forget to what?
Like,
and subscribe.
and hit the bell.
And hit the bell. We will see you later. Bye.